Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers and who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a user experience design training program in Australia by NobleProg, and they have mentioned Figma is there, and explore other courses like testimonials is there, and there's nothing else. No detailing about the fundamentals of the UI UX, just a short intro about the UX designing. They will guide you, and nothing else. Just give a short module overview like multimodal AI for enhanced user experience UI design fundamental is there, user experience design with Figma, data visualization, like not a proper detailing in terms of what they are going to teach you in terms of tools, in terms of software trainings, and in terms of job placement. And overall, the UI of this page is not looking good in terms of UI UX course. Because if you are selling a UI UX course, then you need to make your page good in terms of user interface, so that a user or a student can attract with that page. Uh, so I will not recommend this course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum depth in structure is not up to the mark. So it's a 0.5 for me. User research and fundamental is also 0.5 for me, not up to the mark. User UI design quality is 0 for me. Hand-on project is not there, 0. Tools and software training, Figma is only there, so it's a 0 for me. Mentorship and feedback is not there. Portfolio development not there. Placement and career support not there. Course value fees, it's 0 for me. Industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me because it has involved a AI feature, but not a proper future-oriented course we say. So it's a 1.5 and it's a non-recommendable course, as there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of mentorship, in terms of portfolio, in terms of placement, also in terms of tools and software training. I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which has a 10 out of 10 score in this parameter list, and also help you in get a high paying job in terms of UI UX, and also guide you about mentorship and feedback, and also help you in building a portfolio in terms of UI UX. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.